Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a deep fried chicken. It is my own version of deep frying chicken. So first I'm going to start marinating the chicken. So in this, for marination, I'm going to add some garlic and Sichuan pepper, some salt, a little bit of MSG. So see, like pepper and garlic, salt and some MSG. So I'm going to crush this with the help of this. So all the crushing is done. So like this, I'm going to add some chili powder, this much, and one more. And this is chili pickle, which is made by me. I'm going to add just a little bit of this. And the chicken in. So I'm going to marinate with my hand, just like this. So guys, this is it. So I'm going to keep like this for 1 hour, and after that, after 1 hour, we can fry the chicken. So my marinating time is over. So I will start frying now. For frying, I'm going to use lard. This is pork fat. So I'm going to use this. Actually, it's very nice. So I'm going to heat the oil. This is I'm using this. This is lard actually, but this is flavored one. Sweet chili. This should be enough. So while my oil is heating, I'm going to coat the chicken with the corn flour. So I'm using corn flour because it gives you crunchiness, extra crunchy. Now my oil is hot enough. I'm going to start frying. First, let me add the leg piece. So the frying timings will be like 10 minutes. You can do 7 minutes also if the piece is not very big. So guys, it's all ready now. I'm going to plate it up now. So guys, this is the chicken, all ready to eat. I'm going to garnish with basil, just like this, and ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching. So if you like my video, please give me a like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching again. Bye bye.